Welcome back to Crypto Tribe Global. This is your crypto master and my name is Mirzad. So today we are getting a deep dive into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course some important exit strategy that you guys must know if you really want to get the most benefit out of crypto world. You all know that the crypto world works in a cycle pattern. Like you will see the bull run, you will see the bear run. In between you will see the Bitcoin dominance going up, and of course you will see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, where the alts are performing, and we can confirm the alt season and blah blah blah. There are many stuffs that you guys must know about it. So in this channel I will teach you, I will tell you, I will guide you through all these kind of stuffs that you must know. And by the end of this video I will show the chart of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course some of the important exit strategy that I use in the crypto space. And of course you can take it as a reference. This is my perspective, you can take it as a reference. So you need to build your own exit strategies. Of course there are some universal exit strategy that exist, but the thing is that for us, the investment we plan or the money we put, it's all different. My investment is completely different from your investment. Of course the project we all follow, it's completely different, other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So before I get into all that, I just want to show you the most important thing, the cryptotribe.in Instagram page, where I share important update on the stories. So if you just get into the Instagram page handle, you will find out all the important newses. In the stories you will find all the important stuff that you must know. On each and every single day I put around like 2 to 4 minimum stories, so where you can find out all the important stuff that you must know on that particular day. So this is the recent stuff happened. Tomorrow the nation will adopt Bitcoin, because this is gonna be the official update from El Salvador. You can find out the most important update as a post here, and there are like 72 plus posts, because I always filter the Instagram page handles every single day. So these are newest update where you can find out every important stuffs that you must know regarding the recent market. So here you can find out some of my on stage performance, where I teach my audience regarding the crypto space, and how, when, why, and which coins to invest, and all these kind of stuffs. So if you have time, just go through it. You will find the link down below in the description as well. Follow and stay in touch, because I'll update every single thing on Instagram page handle. So that said, we are getting into the Bitcoin chart. Of course this is these days are very important for Bitcoin. We are looking at the major breakout above 50,000 USDT price range, and this is actually one of the important stage where we all were looking up to, because if we can see that real breakout above that 50k price range, then we can expect the price go towards to 57k, just like we expected and we predicted few months back on our Crypto Tribe Malayalam channel. And yes, we are looking at the V-shaped recovery from July and onwards. Now the price is around 51,500 USDT, which is not a bad price, because we are looking at the correction from the price went up to 51,900 USDT in last day, and the today candle closed above 51,900, and now we are looking at the red candle on the daily time frame, and which is a good scenario, because in order for Bitcoin to go more higher, it should consolidate for few days or few candles. We must see in red green alternatively candles should come like that, because that means that this price can push more higher, because the more it consolidate, the more higher it will go. So the price is around 51,500 USDT, which is a good price for Bitcoin. And you see this orange box right here, this is the 50,000 USDT breakout point, where we got the breakout, and 20 and 10 moving average is now acting as a support, which is a good thing. And when you look at the 100 to 100, of course it is also staying above 100 and 200, so that is also a good thing. So in order for us to stay above 50k, we must stay above 10 moving average and 20 moving average. So That's very important stuffs right now. So these white lines above 100, that is around 52,100 USDT and 53,000, these price ranges are some of the important resistance areas of Bitcoin. Let me tell you this: if we can see the Bitcoin is consolidating for the next few weeks, or at least 2 to 3 weeks, then which means that alt will be performing very well during that time, which means that we are entering into the peak of alt season. So what I believe, that 57k is my next target within this month end, or by the end of by the first half of next month. So if the Bitcoin can go above 52 in this month and stay in between 57 and 52, then we can expect the consolidation for the next 1 to 2 weeks. Meanwhile, alts will be performing very well. Ethereum will be outperforming Bitcoin. Of course, the dominance will be dropping. We were explaining about the dominance chart and everything in the 2 videos back, so you guys have to check out that video as well to know about how the dominance thing work in the crypto space. These stuffs are not really rocket science. These are very simple stuffs. The way I explain, people always tell me like, you are explaining it in an easy way. That is why we love your channel. I always try to give the best for my audience, because I still strongly believe that I'm such a lazy person. If I can understand, if I can learn all these kind of stuffs, and of course there are many people who got more IQ than me, and they can do much better in this space. We all are new to the crypto itself is very new, but the Indian audience have that problem with accepting the term called crypto. It is very easy. If you really want to learn about the crypto space and all, we will be conducting workshops in the next month onwards in English, especially for my Indian audience. So we will plan ahead, and I will let you know all the updates in the channel. And of course, follow me on Instagram and Telegram. You will find all the link down below. You can fill up the form, and we will be adding you to my Insta and of course on the WhatsApp group. So Bitcoin is doing pretty good for now, so we need to expect a drop down to minimum 50k, because that is mandatory, because if it can come down to 50k again, we can expect another bounce back to 51k or 52k, thereafter 53, then 55, 56, 57, 60 and go on. All right, so currently market is looking pretty good. People usually during the September month, Bitcoin during all the run, Bitcoin run, bull run or bear run, we face a lot of dump and pump during September. Actually, there will be more, the worst scenarios happens during the September for every Bitcoin bull run. And in this month, I don't know, Bitcoin is doing pretty well. I have already predicted that in the last month. I told my friends, my tribe families, that Bitcoin will do much better in the September month, because we will be seeing a lot of new update, like El Salvador updates and adoption, and there are many other stuffs going in the market. It's all about positive vibes in Bitcoin right now. So yep, pretty sure the market will stay in a healthy way for the next few months, and we can expect the bear run by the end of the first quarter of 2022. I will get into that after Ethereum. So let's get into Ethereum now. So here you can see Ethereum on the USDT pair. The price is around 39,163,910 USDT, around 20 USDT. So we already have got the price, Ethereum price hit on 4,000 2 days back. And now you can see Ethereum is actually breaking out, finding that a strong support above 38.79 USDT, which is a good thing, because if the price can stay above 38.79, which means that Ethereum is the Ethereum can bounce back to 4,300 and much more. So this consolidation is very important in case of Ethereum, because we saw a major pump towards 4,000 USDT, that is around 25.56%, and thereafter we are looking at a correction which went below -3%, which is actually a good thing for Ethereum. Not only for Ethereum, in every coins, when you consider the pump, there should be a dump. there should be a correction, because the correction is of course a healthy thing for in order for the price to stay above our targets. So 3879 is gonna be the strongest support Ethereum has as of now. On the daily candle, Ethereum looks still bullish, but it will consolidate for the next 2 to 3 days, because the 20 moving average is moving very slowly, 10 moving average is also moving very slowly, so which means it has to cool down for the next 2 to 3 days. Then it will pump towards 4000, or it may break above 4120 USDT. So if you can see the candles are breaking above 4000 USDT in the next few days, then we can expect the price pump towards 4179 and thereafter 4337. This is my all-time high that we have already mentioned. 4337 is the all-time high, but for Ethereum it can go beyond 5206 and 6625 USDT. It is possible for Ethereum to go beyond 8000 USDT in this run, because Ethereum has this capacity caliber to go up. I mean the people in crypto, we all believe that Ethereum is still undervalued. It can go even beyond 10,000 USDT, because in a long run I'm pretty sure that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, and you will see Ethereum is on the top, number 2 as always, because Ethereum is like the Facebook, WhatsApp in internet. On the Web3, Ethereum has this huge potential, the huge network in the market. Of course it can do many things for the society, because there are many projects, softwares, enterprises, entities are actually into Ethereum now. So we can expect Ethereum outperform Bitcoin in a long run, which is a good thing, because it has a lot of purpose in the society. So the price of Ethereum should go up. During that Ethereum improvement proposal EIP 1559, everybody were excited to see whether the supply of Ethereum will be limited or not, because that can bring Ethereum price towards 100k or more than that. But what happened, we saw a lot of burning of Ethereum after that, and which helped the Ethereum to stay above 3000 USDT. Now it is pumping towards 4000 USDT, which is a good thing. But if EIP 1559 become real, then I'm pretty sure the value of Ethereum will go higher than 10,000 USDT in this run. So whatever you see in the crypto space, it's all pure speculation. There is nothing ideal in the market, especially in the crypto world. Nobody can predict exactly what will happen in the crypto space. So you should be prepared of the outcome, because the result may vary for sure. The technical expert in this field, including myself, we know what will happen in the market, but we can predict exactly this will happen or what that will happen, or some price actions are very hard to predict. So the technical side is very easy, because drawing these lines, finding supports and resistance, I will teach you that. That's not a big deal. It's not a rocket science. It's very easy actually. So I do have some of the best exit strategy. These are some general exit strategy that we must be well aware of. The first thing is that alt season. You all know that from my previous channel, from my original channel, you have heard about it, but it's in Malayalam. So let me tell you that if you are actually planning to exit from the market, and you want to get the most benefit out of the market, then you need to wait until the altcoin season happens, and the peak you can exit actually from the peak of alt season. So you need to enter in the market when the Bitcoin dominance is very high. You need to exit from the market when the Bitcoin dominance is very low. That is, you can expect the Bitcoin dominance dropping to 39. You can find the Bitcoin dominance chart in TradingView. I will show you that in the next videos, of course. So if you see the Bitcoin dominance is dropping to 39, then you can exit from the market, because during that time all the alts will be performing better than Bitcoin, including Ethereum. So there are some cases where the Bitcoin dominance consolidate at 39 point something for the few weeks, for the next few weeks, which means that we are in the alt season. We can expect the top 50 alts of the list will be outperforming Bitcoin, and including Ethereum will be performing very well than Bitcoin. So during that time you can exit from the market. So when I say exit from the market, doesn't mean that we need to abandon the market. What we must do, for example, if we are entering the market at this point, for example, you would have bought a coin at around 2 rupees, and at this point you will be seeing the price of that coin, it's at 10 rupees per coin. So for say you invested 1 lakh rupees, for example, you got around 2 lakh rupees of, I mean not two, more than, if you have invested 1 lakh, then 2 into 5, that means 5 lakh rupees profit will be there. So what you must do, either you can take the original investment, that is 1 lakh rupees, otherwise you can leave that 1 lakh rupees there, then you can take the 5 lakh rupees as profit, then you can keep it in your hand. But you must put it in USDT, then let it consolidate for the next few months, and when the bear run begins, then you can actually buy the same coin for the 2 rupees again in the market. So that is what we must do. For example, if we are buying Bitcoin at 10,000 rupees and we are looking at Bitcoin going about 100k, then we can actually sell the Bitcoin at the top, that is at 100k. And what we will see in the bear run, all the alts coin including the Bitcoin will drop to 80 to 90 percentage, so Bitcoin can come down to 20k again. So there we can actually buy 5 Bitcoin because we have 100k in our hand. So these are some of the important exit strategy that we must know. Selling from the bottom and buying at the top is very easy, but we can't find out where the bottom is and where the top. If you watch a cat drinking water from a tap water pipe, you will find out that cat is licking the water now and then. It is not putting its tongue outside all the time. It is always taking an opportunity or taking that moment to drink the water now and then. So just like that, we must enter in the market, exit from the market, take the profit out of it, then you need to wait for the another dip or another correction, then you need to enter again, then again exit. So you can actually do that, buy from the dip and of course sell at the top. But if you're really into the market, and if you're gonna really hold on to the market for the next few years, if you're planning to do that, then there won't be any issues. But if you really want to take the short term benefit out of the market, for say you need the money very urgently in the next few months, then I think you better follow this method, that sell at the top, because if you really find that this is okay for me, this is profitable for me, then you can exit from the market. You will find those projects will be performing in the next few days after you exit, like the coin's price will be going up. So you don't have to be greedy and you don't have to enter then. Don't do that kind of stuffs, because that will get you in trouble for sure. So you always have to be well aware of the market conditions. You always you should know that the market will always give you the new opportunities every single day, every single moment. So you need to wait for that moment and enter in the market, then exit. So if you follow the alt season, it is very easy, because that 3 month you can take the most benefit out of all the altcoins. And if you really want to hold on for the next few years, then don't worry about the charts and all. Just don't even watch any YouTube channel. Just stay calm, invest and hold on for your dear life. If you really want to take the short term profit out of the market, then I would prefer you to be alert, stay alert, and when Bitcoin is closing above 60k, and you can start taking profit, because doesn't mean that you need to stay there for a long run. You can take the profit. Just like I told you, either you can take the investing amount, original investment amount, otherwise you can take the profit and just stay alert. And because when you exit from the market, don't ever spend the entire money, because the market will again give you an offer price, so you can buy the entire stuffs for another offer price, so you can make more money in the bear run and of course in the next leg. So that's all for now. Stay alert and watch the market every now and then, and always trade with a stop loss, and don't forget to take the profit, and treat me when you get the profit. So that's all for now. This is your crypto master signing off from Crypto Tribe Global. I will be seeing you very soon. Godspeed.